So it's down to me to welcome you to Smurfit Business School on behalf of all of the team, and very much looking forward tonight to Ronan and listening to this, the talk around thriving through transitions.
When we came up with the theme for this year's assembly, thriving through transition, we were wondering who was the most appropriate person to have as a guest, and we were very lucky to come up with Ronan O'Gara.
As the partner who leads Boyden's leadership consulting services in Ireland, this is a real privilege for me. The opportunity to hear Ronan O'Gara, who has been at the top of his game, both as a professional and also as a manager, is truly inspiring and a great opportunity for me to learn and allow us to bring something special to our clients.
So our theme here tonight is thriving through transition. So it's a theme that really resonates with a lot of people. So looking forward to the discussions thereafter and the audience interaction later on.
It's been another record-breaking year for Boyden Ireland across all our service lines, executive search, interim management and leadership consulting. And I'm really delighted tonight to be celebrating that with our clients and candidates.
I'm delighted to be at the event Thrive Through Transition with Boyden Ireland here tonight. We're here to actually demonstrate the impact that Make-A-Wish can make and demonstrating the transition that actually a lot of our families go through when their children are diagnosed with a life-threatening illness. And listen to Ronan O'Gara and talk about how he has led and managed Thrive Through Transition.
And one of the great learnings for me is that when you engage with someone, you can see potentially their point of view. It keeps coming back to people. How do you get the best out of people? There's a strategy, obviously, which is paramount, but before strategy, it's about doing the simple things well, but a simple thing done well is making someone feel good.
Absolutely delighted to be here this evening. Boyden do such a good job in the executive and non-executive search space, and to have the opportunity to hear Ronan O'Gara firsthand is second to none.
Tonight was very special, and we were treated to some very real leadership insights by Ronan O'Gara. I was struck by both his humility and his curiosity as he shared some of his challenges as coach and invited the audience into his world, soliciting their thoughts and ideas. One thing that stood out for me tonight was Ronan's extreme ownership and the importance of a leader owning his or her decisions. A phrase he used which resonated with the audience was that with a good soul, anything is possible. The phrase authentic leadership is often bandied about. Tonight we got a real insight into a world-class authentic leader who had a profound impact on everyone who attended.
It was the most enjoyable evening in the Smurfit Business School in UCD in association with Boyden. I really enjoyed the event and I think the crowd did as well.